Travel films are dead, or so they say. But maybe they are only dead to the people who stopped looking for magic. Because the moment we landed in Azerbaijan, everything felt alive again. The colors, the chaos, the silence, the stories, and the friends who made every mile feel lighter. This wasn't just another trip. Ancient traditions mixing with a city that never stops moving. It was the kind of place where you forget to check your phone because the real world looks better than anything on a screen. We weren't trying to make the perfect travel film. We weren't chasing the algorithm. We were just chasing moments. And somewhere between the laughter, the late night talks, the bad decisions, and the good food, I realized something. Travel films aren't dead. They're just waiting for people who travel, not for content, but for connection. For people who understand that the best scenes are the ones you don't plan.
Video, no?
So here's to Azerbaijan, to friendships that feel like a home you can carry with you, and to stories we'll remember long after the footage fades. Because maybe travel films aren't dying, maybe they are evolving into something more real, more human, and a lot more fun when you experience it together.